Have you ever tried buying a stock at a particular price but discovers that it was executed at a different price? You open your investment application and you discover that MTN is trading at 700 naira, in which case you wish to buy at that price. Now you've entered the trade for 700 naira. Going back to your application, you discover that it was executed for 750 naira. What do you think went wrong? Well, that is because you ignore this particular feature, limit order. So this particular feature is a given instruction to whoever is on the back end to say, I'm buying these units of shares at this price. If it is more than, don't execute, but if it is below, you can still execute. But if it is more than this price, please do not execute and return my money. So after the day trade, when the market has closed, you will find your money refunded to your wallet. Against this background, I'm going to show you how to efficiently buy stocks on two applications. One is the Bamboo app and the second is the Cowrywise app. These are like the commonest mobile applications that people use in Nigeria to get stocks or invest. So I'll be starting with the Bamboo app and then Cowrywise, explaining every single feature on this application. So if you're meaning to start your investment journey and you don't know where to start from, this video is definitely for you. Stay tuned to the end. So before now, you should have downloaded your Bamboo app and register, complete the KYC requirements. So we are just going to open the Bamboo app and input our password or PIN. Once you input your PIN, the home page appears. You will see like different notifications up here about what is Bamboo. Any new updates about the Bamboo app, you find it up here. Also, it will display your total wealth, which simply means your total investments, everything you have with Bamboo, whether in the wallet, whether in the US market, Nigerian market, everything all together. You can also see how much it is in Naira. You can change back to USD. Also, you can decide to click on this to avoid people seeing your details. For the purpose of this video, I have to show this so that it will be clearer. Then you have the referral, which is how much you've made for referrals. So Bamboo has this referral program where you can share your code for new people who wish to register with Bamboo, and then you get 2.5% of their first US investment. So you click on this, click on proceed, and you get your referral code. If you scroll down, you see your portfolio. Under portfolio, you see US markets, US stocks, you see NG stocks, which is Nigerian stocks. Then when you move further down, you see cash, and you under cash you see USD wallet, Nigerian wallet. Let's click on the Nigerian wallet. It will show you deposits and transfer. For deposits, you click on how much you type out how much you wish to deposit. You click on deposit, it will show you the option. So the popular ones are direct bank transfer, or you use debit or credit card using Flutterwave. So if you click on direct bank transfer, it will show you a unique account number, which is for you and for you alone. You can send it to people to receive money, and the money will reflect in your Bamboo wallet. But you have to note the charges. So for an amount above 10,000, you are to pay 150 naira in charges, but for amounts below 10,000, you pay 100 naira. Also, you can use your card. You can use your debit or credit card, in which case the fee is 140 naira, and their partner is Flutterwave. So when you click on this, it will take you to the payment page. To withdraw, you click on transfer. So you click on destination, which is Nigerian bank account, USD bank account, USD wallet. So Nigerian bank accounts, when during your registration process, you will have provided like some bank information. So when you click on Nigerian bank accounts and you withdraw to that, it will reflect in your first bank or whatever bank you provide. USD bank accounts, if you provide your domiciliary account, you will see the dollar equivalent to your domiciliary account. USD wallet, it means that you want to convert from Naira to USD to reflect on Bamboo on your USD in your USD wallet. So that is that about Naira wallet. You click on USD wallet. The same process, deposits and transfer. If you click on deposits, it will show you what's it called. It will give you options of bank accounts, sorry, debit credit accounts for USD. You can either use Paystack, you can use Flutterwave. Paystack, their charge is $3.1. Flutterwave is $2.9. So whichever is convenient for you. You can also do domiciliary transfer. From your domiciliary transfer, it will now display your unique account number for that purpose. Also, you can do transfer which is withdrawal. You can withdraw using this option, like we see with the Nigerian wallets, Nigerian bank account, USD bank account, which is domiciliary accounts. Then you can do Bamboo Naira wallet, which is that you are converting from dollar to Naira. That is that about cash wallet system. Note that if you transfer to your Nigeria wallet, you have not invested. You have to click on either Nigerian stock or US stock or whatever you want to invest in. Nigerian stocks, let's click on it. So now you click on Nigerian stock, you see the total amount you've invested. This person now has about 5.8 million in Nigerian stocks, and you can see how much the person has made. So the person has made about 1.4 million on their investments, and you can see the percentage change, then 3.89. So you scroll down, you see my stocks. That's the person's stocks. What the person invested in? Custodian, AXA, Massad, MTN, Presco, TIP, and Zenith Bank. So the prices that are being displayed are the stock prices, which means that MTN price, stock price is currently 718 naira. Custodial stock price is currently 77 naira. Presco is currently 1,918 naira. All these plus sign that you are seeing, plus 53,000, plus 4,000, are how much the person has made on each stock. So for MTN, this person has made over 200,000. For Zenith Bank, this person has made over 600,000. For Custodial, this person has only made about 50 something thousand. And all this percentage are the percentage increase over the stock price. So 10.98% means that this person has made 10.98% of their investment over their investment. So if you click a particular stock, let's say we click on MTN, using MTN as an example, you see about, you see order book. About simply tells you about the stock price. You can check the stock performance over the last years, 1 month. If you click on 1 month, it will show you, because the market is closed, that is why you cannot see the data, but it will show you the percentage. 3 months, how it has gone, 1 year, 5 years. You can also compare the stock. So let's say we compare with Airtel, because they are in the same industry. So if you compare with MTN, over the last 1 week, this is how much each stock has made. MTN 1.26%, Airtel 10%. 1 month, this is how much it has, both stocks have made. MTN is minus 5.52, Airtel 3 months, you can see the difference. 1 year, in the last 1 year, MTN has returned 193%, Airtel has returned. So like that, you can see the statistics, the difference in their prices. If you move down, you see open, close, high, low. So for each day, the market is open from Mondays to Fridays except public holidays. So the open means the stock price when the market opens. Close means the stock price when the market closed. So Friday was the last trading session, which means on Friday, MTN stock price was 790.1 naira when it's opened, and by 2:30 or 3 p.m. when the market closed, it was 718. But within the time it's opened and it's closed, the stock went as high as 790.5 naira, and it also dipped at some point to 718 naira, but overall it closed at 718 naira. Then when you go down, if you invested in the stock, it will show your ownership percentage, or your every details, every information about your ownership. It will show the number of units you have there, how much units. That's this person has about 1,030 units, which forms like 12.65% of the person's portfolio. The average cost means the price the person paid for the stock. This person bought average cost because the person bought at various times. The person first bought November 18, then bought again January 8. So the average cost of buying these shares is 516 naira, in which case this price has the stock price is now trading at 718 naira. This is why this person has made profits. And current value, that is how much you invested plus your profits, everything in total, that is the current value, which is 739,540. Other book, because the market is closed, we cannot see the details, but the bid price will show how much people are willing to buy the stock. Then the offer price means how much people are willing to sell the stock. So under the bid price, this stock is currently trading at 718, but you can be seeing people bidding for at 700 naira, 712 naira, at different prices. It will show you the units of shares they want to buy and how much they want to buy. For offer price, it will show you the unit of shares the person wants to sell and at what price. So this helps you to make informed decision at what at the price you are buying, rather. So if you want to buy, you click on buy. It will show you buy now, limit order, stop order. It is important to note that if you are buying now, it is risky, because it means that you are buying at whatever current price the broker sees at their own end. So for instance, 12 o'clock, you say you want to buy M10 stock and it's trading at 718, but the broker might be receiving that information at 720, in which case the price might have increased to 720, and they will have to execute. If you do not have excess cash in this thing, you'll be seeing minus something. They will have to deduct the difference from your wallet. So if you click on buy now, they will give you that warning that I've just explained. That is why they will advise you to set a limit order. So limit order means that this is the maximum price I want to pay for this share. So you are giving them the maximum price, that if the price is more than this, I do not want to buy. And after the market close, they will refund your money to your wallet. So this is the maximum price we are giving to them. 700 and let's say 717 naira. Let's say 717 naira. Now we are telling them that if the price they see is above 717 naira, they should not buy. But if they see as maybe 715 naira, 716 naira, they can still buy. So you proceed, you tell them the number of shares you are buying. Let's say we are buying 10 shares. Click on review order. It will show you everything, summary of whatever order you are placing, the number of shares, the specific price per share, estimated amounts for that, and how much they are charging you, brokerage fee, stamp duty, trade alas, and VAT, how much you are paying. If you are okay with this, you click on place order. But because this is a demo account, I'm not going to click on place order. But once you click on place order, your order will be executed if you find a willing seller at that price. So that is that about how to buy. The same thing, so for stop order, it means you are giving them the minimum price. Remember that for limit order, we are giving them maximum price, like that is the maximum you can afford. For stop order, you are giving them minimum price. So for minimum price means that if it is more than this, you can still execute, right? So that is the difference. Stop order is simply the opposite of limit order. So remember to sell. If you want to sell, you also have this option: sell now, limit order, stop order. The same thing that applies with the buy now applies with the sell now. If the sell, you are telling the broker to sell at whatever price they see, the current price, whether it has moved up or down. In limit order means you are giving them the minimum price, saying that you cannot sell below this price. Stop order means you can sell below this price. You are giving them the maximum price, right? So they can sell below that price, but they cannot go above that price. So that is that about the Nigerian stocks. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. You have your watch list. Watch list simply means the stocks you are watching. So how do you put a stock on your watch list? Let's use Echo Insurance, for example. You click on Echo Insurance, you'll see this log button just beside the name. You click on it, and then it will appear in your watch list. So let's refresh this page. You can see that IPO already appeared. So that is how to put a stock on your watch list. The stocks on your watch list simply means you are watching the stock. Maybe you want to buy at a particular price, so you are watching it to probably drop, yeah, or you are watching the performance. Then if you want to get access to all the list of stock on the Nigerian exchange, you have access to this. You can also use the search icon. So these are all the stocks on the Nigerian exchange. Then there's not much different with the US stock markets. You have my stocks, you have watch lists, and the only thing you have in addition is that Bamboo has movers for the day, stocks that have appreciated a lot in a particular day. They add it, and their stock of the month. You can click it and look for and say and see why it is their stock of the month. Also, you have future stocks, you have recent news about each stock. So let's use Nvidia as an example. This is the stock price. You can also check the performance in the last 3 months, last 1 year, last 5 years. You find your ownership, how much shares you own in the company, the current value, today's return, total return, you see it. Then you see analyst rating. So this can give you if you can make informed decision from this. You can see 43 analysts are saying buy, there is a zero hold, zero sell. You can see the analysts. You can see JP Morgan, Citigroup, Morgan Stanley, their prices and their rating. Also, you can learn about the company. If you scroll down, they tell you the details, the sector, and everything you need to know. So when you click on the financials, they tell you the market cap, volume, and all of this, ownership. Then you can also see related news. So the market is currently closed. I guess that is why it is. The related news is not appearing. So that is that about the US stocks as well. On the Bamboo, you have Invest. It will show you all their assets offerings. You have treasury bills, you have Naira savings. Naira savings is equivalent to your piggyvest savings. So you can earn up to 16% if you save on Bamboo. You have your fixed return, which is that you earn up to 6.5. This is for dollars. With if you want to save in dollars, fixed return. The managed portfolio, if you want a broker to buy stocks on your behalf. So on Bamboo, managed portfolio is only available for US stock markets. They only have they've only partner with a US broker. Maybe they will be bringing someone in Nigeria soon. Only time with. You also have course where you see what people are buying and what people are selling. I must say that this is really commendable. This is for the US stock. If you click on Nigeria stock, you also see what people are buying and what people are selling. Community, you can see people chatting. For US stock, you can see people are discussing. You can gain knowledge or from this community. From Nigeria stocks as well, you can see people talking. How do I go about it? Dangote refinery. You can see different. So and also come here and ask questions or join whatever discussion is going on here. So this is a new addition and kudos to them. Bamboo Gold members. So Bamboo Gold members is only available for people that have invested over $10,000 in Bamboo. Then general inquiries. You can also seek personal inquiries through this app icon. If you wish to learn more about stock investments, you click the learn icon and it tells you everything you need to know about buying stocks. I hope that this video has been insightful. So also for the Nigerian stock market, there is this icon beside my stocks and it will show you different things. So this is total return, how much you've made in total on each stock, and you have today's return, how much you made that particular trading day, and then your equity. So let's do a quick simulation. You have cost basis. This is how much you invested in each stock. So for MTN, this person invested over 532,159.8 kobo. And if you click on equity, this is how much the person now have: 739,540. And that is why you can see that the addition that is made is 207,380. So that is that about the Bamboo app. Now let's look at how to buy stocks on Cowrywise. So a quick background. This is my first time buying stocks on the Cowrywise. I usually use Bamboo and a traditional broker, so I have not gotten any stocks on the Cowrywise app, but I'm going to show you how to do that shortly. So having downloaded the Cowrywise app and completing the registration process, you log into your Cowrywise account. You will see home, save and invest. Click on invest, then navigate downwards to NG stocks. So there's Nigerian stock, there's also Naira fund. You click on Nigerian stocks. So because I haven't gotten any stock at all, that is why nothing is showing here. You can see my portfolio value is 0 naira. There's no position. But if I want to go ahead and buy stock, I'll click on this plus sign, and then it will show me different things. You can see NGS 30, which is the top 30 stocks in Nigeria. If I want to invest in any sector, I can simply go through any of these icons. So let's use Aradel as an example, or let me use ICO. So now you have ICO. You also have this feature that we saw on the Bamboo app. 1 week it was up 1.45%. 1 month it was down. Year to date, that's from January to this day. A year ago, this is how much the stock price has done. 5 years, you can see the stock track record here. Also, you have the buy, follow. So follow means that you want to put it on your watch list. So you have the buy, and you also have like latest news, business model, performance, key risks for you to get more insights about the stocks. So let's look at the business model. Okay, it tells you about how the money makes money, but there's also a warning that this is AI generated. Then you look at the latest news. So you can see the latest news that the company is preparing for the new recapitalization cycle that is happening within the insurance sector. This is really good. Then you have the performance. It's also AI generated. You see the key risk as well. Okay, moving down, you see dividend history. You see company details, the CEO, chairman, and when it was incorporated. You also see the company summary, what the company is about, which sector it's operating, and you can see the latest trading stats. Just like we had in Bamboo, you can see the open price. That was the price it opened on Friday, which was the last trading day. High price, it was still the same, 4.20. Low price, it went as low as 4.06 during the trading session, but it eventually closed at 4.20. So within 52 weeks, it has gone up to 5 naira 11. That's the 52-week high price. That means within 52 weeks, it has, at some point the stock price did 5.11, and then the lowest it has been in 52 weeks is 1.26. So those are the details, but let's see how to buy. You click on buy. They will, because the market is closed, that is why it is displaying this. So if you buy a particular stock when the market is closed, it won't be executed until when the market opens. So let's continue. It will ask you how many units of shares you want to buy. But you can see just beneath the price here, you can see the set limits. Just as we have in the Bamboo app, I explain what limit order means. It means that you want to buy at a particular price, not less than that price that you are putting in. So we are just going to click on set limits. A limit order lets you choose the price you want to buy or sell a stock at. So we'll set our limit price. Our limit price, let's put at 418, and then we'll type in the units we want to buy. Let's say we want to buy 2,000 units. And then you can see the order validity. Do you want this to be do you want them to execute before the end of the day? If they are unable to execute at the end of the day, they will refund your money to your wallet. But if you pick 3 days, it means that if they are unable to execute on the first day, they can carry it over to the second day, to the third day, and then you can choose 1 week. So we choose 3 days, continue, and then you can see the summary, order, estimated amounts, estimated fees. But Cowrywise has now, unlike Bamboo, Cowrywise has this buffer amount. So this buffer amount, when you click on what it is, they say it is charged to cover additional trade alert fees if your order is executed in multiple trades. So this buffer amount is just in case if they have to execute your order at the if you order a particular unit of shares, if they have to execute it more than one time, maybe they have to execute 2 or 3 times. So maybe you are ordering 15,000 units of a particular shares, and they have to first buy 5,000. They have to also buy another 6,000. Then later buy additional 5,000 just to make up for the 12,000 units of shares you want to buy. You know that now they are executing in 3 places. So this buffer serves as something that they can remove money from when they have to remove additional amounts for trade alerts. But if it is unused, you can see it to be refunded to your stash. That's your wallet. So that is that. And then you click on buy. The same process for when you want to sell. You click on sell, you put in your limit price, the price at which you want to sell, and then you execute. Straightforward. So just like Cowrywise, you can also simply add money from here. You see that a particular number has been attached to your Cowrywise application. So you simply copy the account number and you transfer. You can also fund your stash. You can fund your stash directly from the app. If you pick 50,000, it then show you whether you should go through card or you should choose bank transfer. So if it is bank transfer, it will display an account number you should transfer to. So you can see the accounts, and then if you added your card at the point of registration, you can also add money through your debit or credit alert card. So that is all about buying stocks on the Cowrywise app. Did you enjoy this video? If you do, please give us a like, a thumbs up. Also comment below one new thing you've learned from this video. Also share to your loved ones. Subscribe if you're here to subscribe. Like, we have over 300 people watching this platform and we are barely just 300 subscribers, 300 words readers. Please do subscribe to our channel for more updates and turn on the notification so you can be the first to watch our videos when they come out. Please again, subscribe. Please help us reach 1,000 subscribers before the first half of this year. Please. See you in my next video. Bye.